Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this latest arrival. It's a 2018 BMW X3 X-Line, finished in Vitonic Blue Metallic. This car's got over £11,000 worth of factory options on it, so it was over £49,000 when new. It is due to go down to the body shop for just some cosmetics. Just going to have the front bumper resprayed. All in all, it's in quite good shape though, inside and out. I'll show you the interior. It's really lovely, the tan interior. It's got the sunroof. It's got a lot of options on it, which is great. It's covered just 65,984 miles as well. 8-speed automatic. The iDrive system, of course. Really nice. You've got the electronically adjustable driver's seat and passenger seat as well, which is great. X-Line trim, Harman Kardon sound system. The list goes on of the spec. Like I say, over £11,000 worth of factory options on it. Pretty much got everything ticked. Sun protection glass, the satin around the windows, the cameras, and so much more. It's a great car. If you've got any questions about this X3, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be very happy to help. As I say, it's going to our body shop, so you can give us a call 01539 760 371 for updates when this car will be back. When it is back though, full images will be added onto our website and a full length video as well. We'll also highlight all of the optional extras that the vehicle has got on, but it's basically absolutely packed with equipment, which is always great. Always means it'll keep its value further into the future as well, as it's a USP to have so many features on the vehicle. Most cars have got one or two options, if that. This has got plenty, so a very desirable vehicle, and it will continue to be desirable in many years' time as well. It will also come with 6 months warranty, the vehicle, once it's fully prepared as well, so that's further peace of mind with the car. We do offer flexible financial options, and part exchange is always welcome too. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of your vehicle, we'll have a look into it and get you the best price we possibly can against this X3. Thanks for watching this short video on the X3, which has just arrived with us. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.